Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about the health benefits of pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious and nutritious tropical fruit that is loved by many. It is a good source of vitamin C, A and B6, as well as potassium, manganese, and fiber. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that has been shown to have a number of health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of pineapple. Improved digestion. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that has been shown to help break down proteins. This can help to improve digestion and reduce bloating. Reduced inflammation. Pineapple contains antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can help to improve symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and asthma. Strengthened immune system. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin C helps to protect the body against infection and disease. Healthy skin. Pineapple contains antioxidants that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to premature aging and wrinkles. Increased energy levels. Pineapple is a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral for energy production. Potassium helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can help to prevent fatigue. Stress relief. Pineapple contains magnesium, which is a mineral that helps to relax the body and mind. Magnesium can help to reduce stress and anxiety. As you can see, pineapple is a superfood that has a number of health benefits. By incorporating pineapple into your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content.